This is about unlawful detention. Habeas corpus basically means you must produce the body. Originally, habeas corpus was designed to stop governments from just imprisoning people for as long as they wanted. And a habeas petition asks a federal court, why is this person being detained? And is that detention legal? Here are some examples of immigration habeas cases. One, if bond has been denied completely, is if they've been held too long in ICE detention. 3, if U.S. citizens have been wrongly detained by ICE. Some of the habeas cases are mandatory detention challenges. Lastly, the conditions of the confinement claims. So if they're not being given their medication, or there could have been any host of complaints that someone who's being detained might want to bring before the federal court. So can immigrants file these petitions without a lawyer? Absolutely. Prisoners do it all the time. They file their own motions and their own petitions. But you have to understand that, federal law is very procedural. There's 2 types of law. There's substantive law and there's procedural law. Substantive law is what is the law exactly. Procedural law is what procedures do you have to do to file this correctly. And that's where people get, cases get thrown out of court for technicalities, generally speaking, because the procedures were not followed. If you want to file a mandamus or a habeas, I would strongly urge you to get an attorney. Get an immigration attorney that has done these types of petitions before. Not all of them have. Make sure if you or your family members are interviewing lawyers to figure out which one you want to have take your case, that should be one of the first questions. How many mandamus petitions have you filed? How many habeas corpus actions have you filed? And see what they say. I would not suggest doing it by yourself. I would not suggest, just look it up on ChatGPT. They'll tell you exactly what to do. You're trying to save some money, but in the end, it can really cost you. It's very different from just filling out some immigration forms.